Okay, so the last video which I made, fourth video, I made it less, but nothing to worry about because I have so many videos, so there's no issues where I just stuck around in just making one video and two videos or something. So that doesn't really matter. But for now, you can see Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man. You see it. You can just notice it. And this is my favorite one, which I got when this thing is growing up. I don't want to grow up my beard. That will be perfect. Okay, let me cut this up. And anyways, bye. See you guys in the last video.